Hey there, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change your picture, your profile picture in Twitch on mobile, like smart for iPhone, whatever. So what you want to do is we are not going to use the application. You want to go to Google Chrome or Firefox, Opera, what you got. Now open Twitch TV, and when you're here, you want to go right top corner and go as a desktop site. Now what will happen is that you will access the desktop version of Twitch. You need to of course log in. I'm already logged in. Go to right top corner to your profile and click here on settings. Right here you can see simply update profile picture, and you just upload the photo here and you can just select the image. This is me. This is not me, but oh my god, like guys, this is picture from yeah, and then you just save it. That's it. Yeah, I'm going to show it to you. It's when I was working in retail. This is my friend. Let me show you. Oh my god, where is it? Here it is. Look at this. I love it. This is me with a effect. I was one of the top salesmen in my country, by the way. I was like top, I don't know, 10 out of 2,000 salesmen. I was like a damn. So yeah, I hope you're going to have a great day. And if you have any questions, guys, ask down on comments. And goodbye.